morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm going to do a video showing you some of the highlights of what I'll be doing today. I'm getting ready to leave my house right now. I have my mask around my neck. Have my water with me. Hopefully I'm not out very long. I'm going to try to do my best with this video. Sometimes I'm not sure if my camera should be facing me or out. So continue watching.
Armed away. Exit now.
There we go. My chariot awaits. Well, guys, I just knew I was on my way, but my husband has received a phone call, and this happens often because sometimes he tries to be everything to everyone. He's just a handy kind of guy. So I'm waiting in the front yard till he comes back to the truck so we can leave. And while I'm doing that, since I didn't have a real breakfast, I am eating these Belvita breakfast cookies because I have to have some kind of sustenance or I'll go down really fast. I'll see you guys at our next stop. So what kind of light bulbs do you have to get?
I just get LED rough service.
To go in the
Drop cord light.
oh, for the drop cord.
Yeah.
Okay, and you out of those.
Yeah, I be dropping the thing, man. The old one, they'll buzz out, but these new ones, the rough service, they loud. They take up on you and keep on going.
Okay, well, I'll wait in the truck. My husband, he left his mask at home. I forgot to get the footage from the lawn and gardening center at Lowe's, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you see what we did purchase. And so we bought 60 of those for the yard. I also said that my husband, sometimes he's everything to everyone. So we've had an unexpected stop because he's trying to help someone out. I'm just going to do a quiet video of what he's doing right now.
Yep. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
All right.
Great.
Y'all say y'all doing a little traveling every now and then.
Every now and then, but not lately.
This virus done messed us all up, ain't it?
Exactly. Got us staying home. Charles working hard.
All the time. I told him, I called him the other day.
Uh-huh.
I said, I sure miss your ball peanut.
Oh.
He'd tell me a couple of days ahead I'm going to cook on Thursday. So
And
I
then
go
you
about 3:30 or 4 to go by and get mine straight out the pot.
Okay.
Yep. That was my...
Yeah, guys, my husband does not know that he's retired. The guy was talking about how my husband worked at he's a mechanic. So he worked at a service station, and he also would boil peanuts. That was an extra thing that they sold at the service station. And my husband retired last year in May. On May 31st, he retired. Of course, he keeps busy, as you can see. While we were in the plant department, the lawn and garden department at Lowe's, it got kind of hot, so I decided that I would put my Sisterlocks in a ponytail. I try to keep a ponytail holder with me just in case. But I think my hair still looks kind of cute. What do you think? My husband's getting ready to get back in the truck. He's all washed down in sweat because it is hot out there. So we have made our way back home. My hard-working husband is now putting all the bricks down just there in the yard. We're not going to go ahead and lay them out yet. Still have a little bit more planning to do. And I think I'm going to make my way to another gardening center while he goes out. Okay guys, I am on my way now to the plant depot just to look around and see what's available to me. I'm not big with plants and knowing what to get, so once I get there, I may end up showing you what I purchased, if anything. Okay, this is Ogon, Crown of Thorns. This is a succulent. Okay, I just love the way this one looks. And so these will keep coming around, right? Okay, so I need to get a bigger pot. And what's this plant called?
Palladium. Palladium.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm getting these. Great. I didn't even know they had a big sale, but that worked out in my favor. I got 25% off of the plants that I wanted. And now I am going to my brother's house. And sometimes I just do that so that we can chat. Can't believe I don't see him yet. He hadn't popped his head out. And I'm going to find him. If you look in the back of my car, you'll notice that I've already been to the plant depot and I've gotten some plants. That green plant back there, though, did not even come from the plant depot. Once I visited my brother and was getting ready to leave, he and his wife, my wonderful sister Hattie, just started walking around in their yard and saying, well, how about this? Well, you want a piece of this? And so, because of them, I'm going to have more plants than I planned to. And I really appreciate it. Now I'm going to Aldi's because I feel like salmon today. And I'm going to look for some fresh green beans. And I already have some sweet potatoes at home. So I like that combination with salmon, sweet potatoes, and green beans. So I need some green beans and salmon. And I don't usually run around like this every day. But this has just been one of those days for me, and I'm enjoying it though. I really am. I am. I am at home, getting ready to go in my back door. But I wanted you to see this piece of artwork that hangs right outside of my back door. It was done by my sister-in-law, Gloria Sanders. She just does a wonderful job. I know I got away with, was like stealing for what I paid for it. I just love it. It'll be there. It'll just be there. So this is our meal. My husband is eating salmon with red rice, sauteed green beans, and sweet potatoes. And of course I have green beans, sweet potatoes, and salmon. I hope this video comes together after I've done all this work.